Okay, so we're going to take a look today at creating events. Okay, so we'll talk about that is in a moment. But basically, what I've got here is I've got a short story. So I've got Avery, my sprite, and I've got my cat sprite. And what's going to happen is Avery's going to say to the cat, "Hey, wait," and the cat's going to say, "You can't tell me what to do." Oh, can't tell. You can't tell me what to do. I forgot the word tell. I'm a cat. Okay, and very exciting story. And she's going to reply saying, um, but I'm your mother. Okay, very moving story. So Avery says, hey, wait. He says, you can't tell me what to do. I'm a cat. And then goes back to, but I'm your mother. Okay, let's see what happens when we try to run this story. Hey, wait, you can't tell me what to do. I'm a cat, but I'm your mother. Okay, it's kind of happening. Oh, it's not happening one after the other. So I want like this to happen in a sequence. So let's just have a look through at what's happening. When I click the go button, the big green flag, she's going to say, hey, wait. Okay. And then when I click go with him, first I'm just going to set his position. So that's just setting him to always start in the same position. Okay. But I'm not going to immediately have him do this. So what I'll do is I'm going to do something called broadcasting. Okay. And this triggers events. So you can do this for small things or big things, but let's just do this. She's going to broadcast message one. Now I'm going to change this name to something I'm going to use. So I'm going to say broadcast hey, hey. Okay. She's going to broadcast hey. And he's going to say that when I receive hey, I respond. So what's happening here is this broadcast thing is going on, like it's not on the screen, like you'll see it now. It doesn't appear here. Okay. But it's happening secretly behind it. And what happens is it tells this, hey, I've received this message. Hey, here's what I do. Now, when he gets to here, I'm going to say, let's make him disappear. So we'll go looks and we'll say, where's hide? We'll hide him. So he disappears when he gets to there. And it's going to broadcast another message. He's going to broadcast, we'll say no cat because he's gone, right? You can call it whatever you want, by the way. And when she receives no cat, when I receive no cat, I'm going to say, but I'm your mother. So the story should be, she says, hey, wait. He says, you can't tell what to do. I'm a cat. And then as soon as he gets to here and he disappears, she should say, but I'm your mother. So let's see. Hey, wait. You can't tell me what to do. I'm a cat. Off he goes. But I'm your mother. And he's gone. Perfect. Now, when I run this again, something's wrong. She's just on her own. What's happened? Well, actually, because I have this hide here, I need to tell it at the very beginning to show. So I need to say, show him. So let's try that again. Hey, and he's back. And he's gone, but I'm your mother. And what we've done is we've done events to help us get from one thing to the next. So trial that out, have a bit of fun, and best of luck.